Chocolate.
Oh my God, it's huge.
This is Hercules. Can we see how big he is? What's he doing with his tongue?
So today, because it's Halloween, what we've done is we booked Animals Interactive. They come a couple of times a year. The next time is Christmas time. And today I've asked just for reptiles because it's Halloween.
Look, it's a millipede.
Good gosh.
Look at him.
He's like a snake,
See? Apart from, he's got lots of little tiny legs.
Yes, yeah.
Lots of tiny
It's
legs.
his body like,
See? Can you see all his legs?
yes, yes. Oh my Lord.
Isn't he beautiful?
Oh, he's lovely, isn't he? Hello. What's your name?
His name's Anthony.
Anthony.
Anthony. We've got an Antonadec, and this is Anthony. And by here, Mommy the rat. See?
Oh, bloody hell.
Look at him.
Oh, it's marvellous. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is it?
A rat.
Oh!
They like interacting with them, and petting and cuddling them because it unstresses them. I have a dog myself, and yeah, to have a little touch and a cuddle is just nice. And they give back as well, don't they? So
So if they're sad, they get darker versions of themselves. So what colour's the Pascal? He's light at the moment, which means he's happy. Okay.
Hello, pancake this is.
Hello, pancake.
It's got a fat belly look.
Yeah. Hello, pancake. I like pancakes.
Yeah, I mean. You want to say hello to the bearded dragon right here?
Oh, yeah.
You can't touch him though, okay? You can just have a look.
They can breed on their own accord, have eggs, and then those eggs take months and months and months to hatch. There you are. He's dancing, performing for you with his legs up in the air.
This is the bearded dragon.
Yes. Yeah. Exactly like a dragon.
He is.
The reason I enjoyed it is because it's the first time when I came here and they put that huge snake round me neck that I lost the fear of the snakes. Because I used to fear snakes.
Rats, snakes,
Oh,
creepy
everything
crawlies.
I don't like.
You don't like them, do you?
Oh, no. Nothing that creeps or crawls. I don't like human beings. Like, you know, some like they seem slimy.
Yes, I enjoyed it. I enjoy the animals.
Yeah, yeah. Which one was your favourite?
The snake.
So, this is Littlefoot. Littlefoot is going to fly from Sarah down the room to me, okay?
Hello? What size is that then?
Oh, wow.
It's a bird. It's a bird, it's an owl.
What was your favourite animal you saw this morning? Was it the snake or the rat? Or the creepy crawly?
No, none of them really. I like the ones with the fur on.
The rat had some fur though, didn't it? The rat had some fur.
It's not a nice, soft, curly smell. It's spiky like an hair.
Yeah. But you enjoyed it anyway, did you?
Yes, certainly.
So do you think it kind of raises your spirits a bit to see animals in the care home?
Yes, it does.
Yeah. So you'd like to see some more?
Yes, I would.
Brilliant.
in the future what we've got booked now is alpacas. That's in December. And the same company's coming back now Christmas time. They bring all the fluffy animals, bunnies, dogs, owls, fox, skunk, anything which is fluffy. They bring them as well. We have been lucky this year as well. We've had 2 donations. We was able to have penguins here, which was very expensive, and then we had monkeys as well, which that was a one-off. We'd probably never have that again, but yeah, that was really good.
Residents, have we had a good time seeing
Yeah.
the beds and the creepy crawlies and the snake and the lizards and the owl? We had a good time?
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay.